Dear students, in today's video, I'll be talking to you about the poem The Miller of the Dee. This poem has been written by C. Mackay. So the poem talks about the Miller of the Dee. Now, who is a miller? A miller is a person who owns a mill. So you might have seen huge mills which are helpful in grinding corn, wheat, etc. into flour. And Dee is actually a river. Beside that river is the mill of this miller we are talking about. Okay. So the poem goes like this. There dwelt a miller hale and bold beside the river Dee. He worked and sang from morn to night, no lark more blithe than he. And this the burden of his song forever used to be. I envy nobody, no not I, and nobody envies me. In this particular stanza, we see that the poet is talking about a miller who lived beside the river Dee. He lived a very contented life. He was very happy with his life. He would work from morning till night, and while working, he would sing a song repeatedly in order to amuse himself. The wordings of the song would go like, I envy nobody, no not I, and nobody envies me. The poet has compared the beauty of the song of the miller to the song sung by a lark. Lark is a melodious bird. The next stanza goes like this. Thou art wrong, my friend, said good King Hal. Thou art wrong as wrong can be. For could my heart be light as thine, I'd gladly change with thee. And tell me now what makes thee sing with voice so loud and free, while I am sad, though I am the king, beside the river Dee? In this stanza, we see that one day the King Hal passed by his mill and heard him singing so happily. The king told the miller that he was quite wrong. He inquired the miller as to what made him sing the song in such carefree voice. The king was surprised to see somebody so happy and without any tensions. He was ready to exchange his heart with the heart of the miller. In the next stanza, we'll see what the miller replied. The miller smiled and doffed his cap. I earn my bread, quoth he. I love my wife, I love my friend, I love my children three. I owe no penny I cannot pay. I thank the river Dee, that turns the mill, that grinds the corn, that feeds my babes and me. So we see that the miller happened to smile on the question asked by the king, and he took off his cap. He said he earned his bread. He said he loved his wife, 3 children, and his friend. He had no debt, no loan to pay to anyone. And he was thankful to the river Dee that helped him run the mill and make his living. Good friend, said Hal, and sighed the while, farewell and happy be. But say no more, if thou'dst be true, that no one envies thee. Thy mealy cap is worth my crown, thy mill my kingdom's fee. Such men as thou are England's boast, O miller of the Dee. Here we see that the king bids farewell to the miller. The king told him not to say that nobody envied him, because the king now envied the miller for his life. He said that his mealy cap means covered with flour. The king said that the mealy cap of the miller was more valuable than the crown. And he also said that his mill was more precious than his kingdom. The king also mentioned that such sincere and loyal people are the pride of England, and saying that he left the place. That was all for today, my dear students. Hope you were able to understand the poem. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.